Sie schön, ne? Chico. Tie rod. Hallo! Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. We all arrived at Wolfsburg. This is the final, not the final, but this is a drop-off point of a little Harlekin. So this is one final episode about the Harlekin and about my friends. Cars all did a good job on the way. Now our first stop is the Volkswagen Museum. Let's check out some cool cars. What are we taking home, sis?
Have a chair, I have a chair. King in the castle, king in the castle.
Almost impossible to film the seats of the Gold, but they are so good. Wish we had those in Europe. What is this? Chico. Chico.
There's another Chico. We're different.
when I push this button, it has underglow.
Hey, kunt je die ook in die kleuren zo wat?
Hi guys. Quick little update.
Hey guys, bye guys.
Bye guys. So we already knew Meyle was a big partner in supplying parts, but to see the warehouse is insane. It's so big, you can't imagine how big it is here.
Always bigger ball diameter than OE.
The car is back in at the Meyle workshop. We'll change out some tie rod ends. Now it's time to do some final work, and then the car is completely finished to go to Low Show.
It's the best. What do you say? A day with Colin, it's the best. We really need to film this guy. It's like merchandise for RetroWheelz. You want to buy him? It's like €5, easy.
€2. So, Robin, what are we doing here?
We are buying a vineyard in Austria, and yeah, we just bought this car and bring it to Russia. Yeah.
What's happening here?
We are fixing the tie rods of the Harlekin. Tie rod. New tie rod.
Perfect.
Sasha,
Hey.
how was the speed?
Hey, crazy. I never drove something that fast in my life. It was absolutely amazing. No, perfect car. A bit stiff, but actually the transmission shifts really nice. Was really beautiful to drive. No joke.
Thank you.
That one will stay on for as long as I have. And after the amazing day yesterday at Meyle, wherefore thanks once more, today we are at Autostadt and we're looking at some beautiful cars together with the apprentice and some friends. Niels, what did you just say?
This car has even the horsepower as your Polo.
It has more horsepower than a Polo.
And the top speed is almost the same. Where is it?
It is 115. I have 45 and my top speed is 130.
You should have bought this one.
And this one is only almost 70 years older. So we're waiting for Jamie R, as always, and look what has arrived. A Beetle in the Harlekin colors. This was originally made in Mexico, I think. Also limited edition, so now we have two Harlequins next to each other. So cool.
Hallo, guten Morgen.
And welcome from Lake Werther, Lake Wolfsburg. It almost has some really good Wörthersee vibes. We have the car wash going on. The wife is here, they're over there. We just washed our cars, but this is really the old school Wörthersee vibe. A lot of cars everywhere, tuned ones, not so tuned ones, so this gives me really some flashbacks to the good old days at Wörthersee. I'm gonna finish washing the cars and then we're heading over to the main event. It's Saturday today and it's main event day, so little Harlekin is nicely washed, it's looking great. Niels washed his GTI and now it's time to go. Hallo.
How are you doing?
Richtig, also ich bin ein richtiges Autohaus.
As you can see, the Polo is now at the harbor. It's the final stop of our little ship. I'm driving in with the Skoda and then we are dropping the Polo off. It goes on the ship and next time we see it, the car will be in America at Low Show. So the Polo will be ending up on a ship like that, and for me it's time to end this video and thank all of you guys for watching. It's the end of the little Polo Harlekin series. We'll see it back in a month and then some more content about the Polo. Thanks for watching. Bye. And Tiro wants to say, please like, please subscribe.